In Tehama County, California, on October 15, 2023, around 11:38 a.m., a California Highway Patrol (CHP) officer from the Red Bluff Office responded to a report of a disabled vehicle on Southbound I-5 just north of Flores Avenue. As captured by Dashcam footage, the officer approached the vehicle from the passenger side and instructed the driver, 39-year-old Joseph Michael Pate, to roll down his window. Instead of complying, Pate exited the vehicle and opened fire on the officer, who returned fire. Pate was struck during the initial exchange, but 2 minutes later, he fired again, hitting the officer multiple times. Pate then commandeered the officer's patrol car. Dashcam footage from the stolen vehicle shows Pate driving erratically, cutting off an 18-wheeler, which resulted in the semi-truck overturning. The patrol car eventually caught fire, forcing Pate to abandon it. He was later captured and taken to a hospital, where he died from his injuries. The semi-truck driver sustained minor injuries. Despite being shot in the abdomen, shoulder, and leg, the officer, a 10-year veteran, has fully recovered and returned to duty.